Here's a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. A sophisticated brute with unwavering capability and good looks to match, Tacoma makes legendary look easy. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Many are driven, few are chosen. The Tacoma was named most dependable midsize pickup in the J.D. Power & Associates 2011 Vehicle Dependability Study, and IntelliChoice called it a 2011 Best Overall Value in the compact pickup segment. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.